Hello from Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublette, Illinois. Give us a call at 815-849-9089 or shoot us an email. We're looking at park models today. Center loft, 2-bedroom, double loft, extra tall, front den, log cabin. We're going for the next one in line, the Superbay. This is one of my last 2009 models I have in stock. It's a Superbay. It's on sale for $36,005. All these trailers have several items in common. They're all prepped for air. They all have thermal pane windows. They all come with all the furniture that's in them. There's house type back door on a lot of them. It's an in-swinging door with the storm door. They're vinyl sided, shingled roof. Except for the cabin, it has a metal roof. They're about 35 feet long, about 14 feet tall. They all have a 20-gallon electric hot water heater. This one has a 20-foot bay window. Nice. We want to sell you a trailer today. On sale. Once in a lifetime chance. The 2009 for $36,005. This is unit number 9725. Let's go on in and have a look. MSRP on this trailer is $46,784. And we've got it marked down to just $36,005. It's got a swivel rocker, hide-to-bed sofa, nice interior. You've got 2 end tables and 2 lamps. Superbay lets in lots of light. You have a ceiling fan here in the front room, chandelier, oak table and 4 chairs. Chairs have storage under them. All the chairs have storage. You have dining room hutch. Lost my mind temporarily. There's the entertainment center. They're wired for stereo. Double lever high-rise faucet with sprayer, composite kitchen sink, granite light countertop, 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave with the built-in range hood, track lighting in the kitchen, got a 16 cubic foot fridge, 56,000 BTU furnace. Let's check the bathroom out. Let's see. House toilet, shower tub, and shower curtain. Standard on these babies. You've got a vanity medicine cabinet, sink. Before we go upstairs, yes, we do have an upstairs. We'll go into the master bedroom. It's queen bed and bedspread, end table, or nightstand and small lamp. It's got a hers and hers wardrobe. It's actually called the his and hers, but we refer to it here on the sales lot as a hers and hers. Plenty of room for her clothes. Behind the mirror is always the circuit breaker box with all the breakers clearly marked. These are prepped for air, come with the furnace. All furnishings stay, drapes, lamps, bedspreads, everything in them stays in them. You do not pay any extra for the furnishings. Let's go on upstairs. It's got a back loft here. There's a TV jack for the kids. I can walk around on my knees over here. Lofts are good for sleeping, good for kids to play in, good for storage. They do not count on the square footage. A park model is 400 square feet. That's what makes it a park model. If it was more than 400 square feet, it would be a mobile home. We have financing available for qualified buyers, 10, 12, and 15-year terms. Okay, that's it. I'll tell you what we were looking at one last time. This was a 2009 Quailridge Superbay double loft with an MSRP of $46,000. We've got it on sale for $36,005. One left at this price. Its designation is a 2009 Quailridge 39Sbml. It's built by Forest River, and they are the largest producers of park models in the United States. Have been for many years. Well, stop by and see us. We're located right on US Route 52 in north central Illinois, approximately 80 miles west of Chicago, 40 miles south of Rockford. Give us a call, 815-849-9088.